Hi my lovely viewers, this is LYT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set screen and sleep on battery power. Put my device to sleep after in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search option. Here I have clicked, then go to the settings. So in settings there have lots of options. We will click here systems, or I have used recently and commonly used settings. So there have directly click here, then we will go to the options it directly. So here we will click here as because there is the screen and sleep. So what we want on battery power, put my device to sleep after. So here I have set it before 10 minutes. If I want to 5 minutes, or according to my decision or working purpose, I can use lots of things, as well as we can set the neighbor things. So here this, so in this way we can set put my device to sleep after whatever minutes we want. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.